Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to clear the cache on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel, like it. Let's get started. To clear the cache on your iPhone or iPad, you need to go to Settings. Open the General tab. Find iPhone Storage. After that, now we're going to load all the apps. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Telegram. In order to clear the cache, we have to click Unload the app, and then unload it again. After that, it will be deleted. We'll click Download again. Download it. All your data, all your documents that were there, they'll still be there. But the most important thing is that the cache is cleared. You can see I have 13 gigabytes. In the same way you go to another program. Let's say YouTube. You click Unload Application. You unload it. You clear the cache 560 megabytes. That's me. But the application itself remains, all your accounts remain. You also go to Facebook. Click Unload App. You unload it, it clears 197 MB, and the 307 that the app weighs remains. This is a simple way to clear the cache on your iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you and liked it, be sure to write in the comments. I will definitely read and respond. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Goodbye.